Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to log out of all devices on Steam. So let's get started. Open up your Steam, go up here your top left and open this Steam. So now click on settings and now you want to go is to security. After you have done that, you have this option, deauthorize all devices. After you click this, this will log you out of all devices that are logged into your account, including this one that you're doing this on. So be careful about that. Make sure that you know your password. Make sure that you have access to your Steam mobile guard app. Make sure that you know your email and that you have access to it. But yeah, it's that simple. Anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more content just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.